Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I will be guiding you through how to download maps in Free Fire. To download the maps on Free Fire, launch open the Garena Free Fire app on your Android or iOS. From the home page, go to the top of the screen and tap on the little download icon, and then this will open up the download center. From the list, tap on the Popular Maps tab and tap the little cloud icon under Popular Maps. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to download popular maps for the game. Wait until the download is done, and you will then be able to download maps on Free Fire. Now you can go ahead and choose the downloaded map in the game mode selection menu. So that's how you will be able to download maps on Garena Free Fire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.